Welcome to the world of Relyonix, where imagination comes to life on paper. In an age where screens dominate, we believe there's something truly special about holding a book in your hands. At Relyonix, we create more than just books. We create experiences that connect, calm, and inspire. From fun and focused dot-to-dot books, to vibrant coloring books that unlock creativity, to thoughtful journals and memory-making scrapbooks, to educational workbooks and magical storybooks, we've got something for every age and every imagination. Why choose physical books over digital? Because flipping a page slows us down, helps us focus, and invites us into a deeper experience. Physical books reduce screen fatigue, strengthen memory, and spark real emotional connections. And for kids, there's nothing like the pride of completing a drawing, coloring a page, or reading a bedtime story with their favorite grown-up. Relyonix books are made to be touched, treasured, and passed down, not just scrolled past. So, if you're ready to bring creativity back into your hands, explore our full collection on Amazon or visit www.relyonix.com, because the best stories, the best memories, and the best learning still happen on real pages. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing Relyonix.